Hey, how's it going? I'm Steven. I work with Flippin Vans here in Denver, Colorado. I'm sitting in a Sprinter we just built for a customer. It's a 144 4x4. Let's check it out.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time.
This is a pretty standard layout for us, for what we do. This is what the customer wanted. We are able to make tweaks and kind of change things around, do different cabinet styles. This client wanted a simple galley and then wanted a little bit of room for seating for people to hang out in it as well. Yeah, so we got these cabinets are a pretty cool sage green color. I think it looks really good with the gold hardware and trim. Our customer actually provided the color for us. I think it works out really good, especially with the beetle kill pine ceiling and the dark countertop. So we've got our kitchenette here right behind the driver's seat. We've got a nice big deep gold sink with the matching faucet. We've got 30 gallons of fresh water in the back plumbed in. It's cold water on a water pump, and then we've got gray water right under here. The client just wanted a simple, easy, portable gray tank. So that's sitting right down there. And then for storage, we've just got some simple drawers, and then just a big open space to put whatever you want, pots, pans. So there's the kitchen. Our client didn't want a fixed stove, so she uses just a portable stove that she puts under the sink. You can put it on the counter, you can take it outside, it makes it pretty nice. So that's what we did for her there. Counter space is limited in these small vans, so we got to cut out to utilize everything we got, matching the countertop, and we even got a cool little brand with our logo on it. Again, we're all about maximizing space in these small little vans, so we're able to put a little lagoon table right here. You can work on it sitting in the passenger seat. It's extra kitchen space when you're cooking, and then it's stowable right behind the driver's seat, so it won't get in your way when you're not using it. So here we got our upper cabinets. Again, this is pretty standard for our builds. We have as much cabinets as we can get on one side, leaves a little bit of headroom and more space in the bed. These are just pretty standard flip-ups that we put in everything. Tons of storage for pots, pans, cups, bowls. And then in the back here, the van came with this AC unit, so we couldn't do the flip-up. So instead we have these sliders. They're on magnets, so they're not going to come flying around. And we're able to dado out these cabinets and put these slides in, which I think is pretty cool. Cool, so under this seating compartment, we've got some storage, as well as all of the solar and the batteries and all the electrical stuff. So in here we got a 200 amp hour Renogy lithium ion battery. We've got a Renogy DC-DC charger. Right here behind the cushion, an inverter switch, so you're not wasting power all the time. You can turn your outlets on and off. So right on the other side, we've got another little seating area. And underneath we've got a chest style fridge. It's nice to be able to stow it away. It's an Iceco dual compartment. So right in between these two little seats, we've got a nice pull-out table. Be able to eat, do whatever you want here. Stows away super conveniently. And then we've got access, a big old door into the garage in the back. So you can slide anything in and slide anything out. Sweet, so right here we got a nice comfortable bed. We kept it at a height where you can still get plenty of gear underneath, but you also have a decent amount of headroom. You're not gonna be hitting your head all over the place. We got an empty wall over here for the same reason. Just so you have some space when you're sleeping and hanging out. It's a queen, minus about a few inches on the end. She's able to sleep across the van, which gives her more room. Cool, so here we got our garage. We wanted it huge, big, open, so she could do anything she wanted in here, store as much as she wanted. We ended up putting the bed at this height so that she could put bikes in here. That was kind of what she wanted. So we got some fork mounts in the ground. Inside of here, we got our water tank. We've got propane for the propane shower that's on the back door. And then we have the bed mounted on some steel beams. We want it to be super solid, something that you wouldn't have to worry about. Yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple. Right here on the back door, we've got a propane water heater. It's a short van, so it wouldn't really make sense to put a big shower inside the van. So yeah, it works really good. It's the Camp Lux shower heater. thank you guys for checking out the van. Again, we're Flippin Vans here in Denver, Colorado. Check us out on Instagram at Flippin Vans. If you're in Denver, feel free to stop by the shop, and we hope to see you on the road.
You may have noticed that you can buy our ebook. Our ebook shows you how to build a van conversion. It has 190 pages of text, diagram, and images showing you various options of various systems. It also comes with 25 videos that show you hands-on how to do many parts of building a van. Also, coming out soon, we have a course. The course releases in December, and if you sign up now, you get early access and a discount. The course is really in depth. It shows you everything from how to use basic tools all the way through to doing your gas, your water, and your electric installation. Not only that, but within the course, we support you hands-on in making your electrical specification. And you get to join a community of like-minded van builders who are building their vans at exactly the same time. Follow the links to find out more, and thanks for watching.